Alright, we are live. Ilang taon na ba tayong nagsisikap? Pero parang kulang pa rin ang oras para sa pamilya at mga pangarap natin. Welcome to our live again with my accountability partners all the way from Philippines. Hello, blessed Saturday sa ating lahat. I'm Rosalie, a mom of one originally from Philippines and currently living and working as dental assistant here at Italy. And of course, Christian entrepreneur. All right. Sis, introduce yourself. Thank you. Unmute yourself, sis.
Unmute, Dai.
Unmute.
Sorry.
All right, go ahead,
Yun ang
sis.
disadvantage. Okay, so thank you. Okay, thank you, sis. My name is Nifil from the Philippines. I'm retired, but still learning and exploring opportunities in the digital space. Back to you, sis.
Unmute yourself.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon from the Philippines. I'm Fe. I'm mother of two, a wife of a retiree, a daughter of aging parents. Formerly a public health worker from the Philippines. Retired but not yet hired, and a proud digital business owner. Thank you, sis.
All right. Here I am again. So, maganda yung topic natin today. It's about what attracted you most to building a digital business online. So, let us hear our mga panelists from Philippines. Sis, what can you say about this?
Okay. Yeah, so thank you, sis, again. And for today's topic, what attracted me most to building online business? For me, is the freedom and flexibility it gives, especially in retirement. Na tulad ko, I started this business after retirement and I'm here for 5 years already. And I was attracted in this online business because you can start where you are na hindi na kailangan na meron kayong physical store. Wala tayo i-handle na inventory. Wala tayong tauhan na i-manage. And most of all, no need na huge capital na na para sa starting. Compared natin sa mga traditional businesses ay malaki ang starting nila. Plus, you can still learn new skills dito sa ating business. And the flexibility is also amazing. You can do this business at your own time. It goes where you are. You only need your gadget and good internet. And I also realized that retirement is not the end because yes, I'm already retired. We still have the experience, the wisdom, and value to share. So running digital business allows us to continue growing, connecting, and staying mentally alive. So more than income, may mga magagandang benefits pa dito. Di ba sis? Back to you.
Alright. Alam nyo, almost pare-pareho naman talaga yung ating mga reason kung bakit tayo na-attract sa pag-build ng online business. Kagaya ko, alam mo, na-attract ako sa business na ito nung yung possibility of freedom and growth as is already stated, mentioned, na hambang nandyan pa rin ako para sa pamilya ko as a mom of one dental assistant. Alam ko yung pakiramdam ng pagod ka na physically, pero gusto mo pa rin ng mas magandang kinabukasan. Ayoko lang na mabuhay sa routine ng bahay, trabaho-bahay. Gusto ko rin naman, syempre, gusto natin na magkaroon ng time freedom, financial growth, at syempre, yung pagkakataon na ma-enjoy natin yung buhay without sacrificing our family time, di ba? Na-attract din ako because sa online business ito, because it gives equal opportunity. Yung kahit sino ka, kahit beginner ka pa, pwede namang matuto, di ba? Basta willing ka lang talaga. Nandun yung willing heart mo na mag-grow. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Kailangan mo lang talaga is magsimula. Isa pa, sobrang powerful ng community. Nakaka-inspire makita yung mga ordinaryong tao as in, milyones. Yung mga OFW moms, mga, alam mo yung mga employees na unti-unting nabago ang buhay dahil hindi sila sumuko. At doon ko na-realize na posible pa rin pala yun para sa akin. At higit sa lahat, syempre, yung personal growth. Hindi lang ito income ang nade-develop dito, kundi yung ating confidence. Yung confidence ko, mindset, communication skills, at faith sa aking sarili. Kaya hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy lang ako. Hindi dahil madali, kundi dahil naniniwala ako na may bigger purpose kung bakit ako nagsimula. And that's all for me. Sis, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, sis. Thank you. Oo. We usually have the same goals and attractions to this business. And I believe this is a very meaningful topic because maraming mga tao ngayon are searching for something more. More time with family, more financial stability, more purpose, and more freedom in life. Para sa akin, personally, what attracted me most to building online business ay yung flexibility and the opportunity to create extra income while still being present for the people I love. Sa anak ko, sa asawa ko, sa parents ko, as a wife, a mother, a daughter of aging parents, and the one who is retired but not tired, I realized I still wanted to grow, learn new things, and continue creating something meaningful for my future and my family. I was inspired by the idea that ordinary people gaya natin ay pwede dito. Pwede tayong, we can use technology, learn simple skills step by step, and build another source of income from home na gamit lang ang cellphone at internet connection. Pero sa totoo lang, ang journey na ito ay nagiging more than just business for me. It became a journey of personal growth, confidence, purpose, meeting amazing people like these people here in front of you, all the people in the community na hindi ko man kilala, hindi ko nakikita ever since, pero parang close friends na kayo kung magkita-kita kayo dito sa platform na to. And another is helping others believe that it's never too late to start again. And I know many people can relate to this because we all have own reasons why we started. Maybe for a family, additional income, retirement preparation, dreams, personal growth, or simply wanting a better future. Like me, I retired but not tired. Because retirement is not the end. It's just the beginning of a new phase in your life. It's just, kung baga yun ang pagdating mo sa dulo, makikita mo yung why. Letter Y or the cross point na mamili ka sa left ka ba, sa right ka ba, or sa forward ka ba. Iyon ang sa akin, sis. Thank you so much.
Alright, so narinig natin ang ating mga reasons bakit ano yung naka-attract sa atin mostly to join or to build online business. And now, ating pakinggan, paano ba natin sila may imbita? Or I should say, paano sila mag-i-start, Sis Fe?
So, as we share our stories and insights, sana itong session na to ay makapag-encourage anyone out there or someone out there na na maniwala sa sarili, na mag-take small steps. Even a small step is a sign of progress, and be open to new possibilities. And how you can do it? Simply register to our live complimentary webinar we have our live complimentary webinar. You can register on any of our websites here. Once you have registered, you will be guided inside, and there you can pwede kayong mag-scrutinize. You can dive into it and have due diligence para tingnan kung ano ba ang nandito sa loob ng pinag-uusapan namin, kung ano ang nandito sa business opportunity na pinag-uusapan namin na gusto namin i-share sa inyo.
Alright, thank you, sis. And sis, tell our audience, our viewers, anong dapat gawin?
Okay, naka-mute ako. Okay, so yes, meron tayong libreng information through our webinar. Just an overview about our business concept. And if you want the live session, meron tayo twice a week. Sa Pilipinas, meron tayong Wednesdays and Fridays at 8 a.m. Since global man tayo, kahit saan ka sa sulok ng mundo, you can watch the free webinar or live webinar. Just Google your time zone para makawatch kayo ng live. Pero kung hindi kayo maka-apas ng live, you still have the chance to watch the free webinar kasi meron po tayong replay. And you can watch it at your most convenient time. Yun ang first step na gawin ninyo para maka-start at maka-learn kayo kung ano itong online business natin. Okay, so na-mention na ni Sis Fe kung anong gawin para ma-access ninyo ang ating libreng webinar by registering your name at any of our websites here. Pwede ba ma-show ang mga website natin, sis? You can go to the banner of the banner. So, bumalik yung mga websites natin para makita ng mga viewers natin. Okay, by the way, my website is www.nefeslife.com. Sisfe is www.fitibalifestyle.com, and Sis Rosalie, ano yun sa'yo, Sis Rosalie? Hindi ko na-memorize. Mention niya.
Yeah, I will mention
niya.
it later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Tell us
so
your website.
that's okay. I mentioned it. Sisfe, your website is.
My website is www.feltiba.com.
Yes, yun ang pinaka first step na gawin natin para ma-watch ninyo ang overview or para malaman ninyo ang concept ng ating business. Napaka-nice ng ating free webinar. Oo, meron tayong mga panelists doon na nag-share kung paano sila nag-start, paano sila na-motivate, kung ano ang mga rasones why they started this online business. Very, very amazing. And be inspired, everyone. Yun lang po, sis.
Alright, at sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, manonood pa mamaya, tandaan natin na hindi natin kailangan maging perfect para magsimula. Kailangan lang natin maging willing matuto, lumago at maniwala sa posibilidad na mas magandang kinabukasan. One small step today can create completely different future tomorrow. So my website is www.rosalico.com. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us, everyone. Bye.
God bless. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.